Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 36. We are on Unit 3 again. And Lesson 7, Functional Language. Activity 1, complete the dialogue with the correct phrases from A to F. So, given answer, number 1 is B. So, let's start again. This one, hello, Katie. Have you worked at an adventure camp before? No, I haven't, but I've been to lots of camps. So really? Well, that's good experience. And I've done lots of different activities, sports, acting, and painting. So the answer for number 2. So if you see this answer here is of course. So at the beginning of the sentence, it should be can you. So number 2 is C. So C, can you. Can you tell me more about the sports activities? So can you tell me more about the sports activities? And question mark. Of course, I've done a lot of kayaking and I also play basketball. So the next one, so number 3. So if the answer is yes, I think so. So it should be, so maybe, do you play well enough to coach? So number 3. Do you play well enough to coach? So this P. Play well enough to coach. So yes, I think so. I play for the school team. And then number 4. So I can also do first aid. So number 4 should be A. So because this one, B stated I play for the school team. So A, give response. So it stated great. We always need good coaches. So we have already done 4. So I can also do first aid. So and then number 5. So A, questioning again to B. So it stated yes, I have. So the first word should be have. So number 5 is E. So have you. Have you ever done the course? So yes, I have. Okay, maybe just now you didn't see clearly. So have you ever done a course? Yes, I have. I did one at school last year. And number 6 is D. So D, that's very useful. So that's very useful. So with a full stop. Welcome to our camp. So next we go to checkup challenge. So activity 1, read and circle the correct word. So well, here I am at adventure camp. I've been skiing in the mountains. So the from the top, so should be view. So circle it, view. The view from the top was amazing. We have done forest walks too. I've seen some amazing, so there are lots of animals here. So animals should be wildlife. So wildlife rather than landscape. So I've used a to find my way. So should be compass rather than camera. So camera is just to capture photos or video. So we need to use compass to find our way. So compass. So I've used a compass to find my way. It's fun to be an explorer rather than instructor. So explorer. So it's fun to be an explorer, but I don't want to get lost. And then we go to next paragraph. I've been camping in the forest too. So it's quite difficult to tent. So put up. It's quite difficult to put up a tent, and I've slept in a sleeping bag rather than rucksack. So rucksack is like a bag. So rucksack is a bag with a soldier straps. So the answer should be sleeping bag. And I've slept in a sleeping bag. It wasn't very comfortable. I've also learned to cook on the campfire. So campfire. Last night I made dinner and it was. So we need to see. So this sentence here. Everyone liked it. So meaning the food should be delicious. So it's not horrible. So delicious. So that's it for today. So this is Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 36. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can also watch the related videos here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. You can join my Telegram robot that I developed.